Hey everyone, welcome back to Endless Money Pits. This is my 2000 BMW 328i, and today I'll be showing you how to replace the fluid in the rear differential. There really isn't an official maintenance schedule for a 20-year-old BMW that anybody agrees to, but I've seen recommendations to change the differential fluid anywhere from 30 to 60,000 miles or every 2 to 4 years. Personally, I've been changing the diff fluid in my car every 30,000 miles for the last 8 years, which usually covers about 2 years of driving. It sounds like this might be somewhat wasteful, so I think I'll have the fluid analyzed the next time I change it to see what condition it's in after 30,000 miles. Here are the tools that I used for this job: breaker bar, torque wrench, socket extension, 14mm hex socket, magnetic bowl, floor jack, jack stands, and a creeper. For this job I also needed 1.5 quarts of 75W90 synthetic gear oil, a bottle pump, 2 crush washers, nitrile gloves, and a light. To get started, we'll need to jack up both ends of the car. Set the car on 4 jack stands and try to get it as level as possible. You always want to remove the fill plug first. If you drain the oil first, then discover the fill plug is seized, you will be very sad. These are usually pretty tight, so I put my 14mm hex on a breaker bar. Remove the fill plug and let some of the diff fluid spill out onto the floor. Now you can remove the drain plug, but you want most of this fluid to go into your catch pan. When all the fluid has drained out, wipe off the area and reinstall the drain plug with a new crush washer. Both plugs should be torqued to 47.9 foot-pounds. Position your catch pan under the fill hole and start pumping fluid. The differential is full when fluid starts coming back out of the fill hole. Reinstall the fill plug with a new crush washer and torque it to 47.9 foot-pounds. We're done with the diff, but it's always a good idea to give the underside of your car a quick visual inspection whenever you get the chance. I look for cracked bushings, wet things that should be dry, ripped boots, exhaust leaks, cracks around the rear subframe, and anything that just looks out of place. Put your car back on the ground and we're done. That concludes this week's video. If you like my videos, make sure to subscribe and leave a comment down below letting me know what you'd like to see next. And until next time, just keep throwing money at it.
Please recycle your used automotive fluids!